It's sweet to get friend. So, hello guys. A lot of you have been looking for a way to make a shiny skin off your model, and you've been asking which product will be best to use, because a lot of you are feeling like you might buy a product that might be harmful to the skin or might have a little bit of side effect. Now, you can't have a shiny skin on a model without applying something on the skin. If you do your dodge and burn, a lot of times when you do your dodge and burn, you might end up just brightening some part of the skin just to make it look like it's shining. But there are easier ways. You can just apply something, and at the end, that thing that you apply, when light splash onto it, you see that the model will be shining. Now, I have about 3 options for you. Now, the number 1 option in my list will be coconut oil. Those of you living in Nigeria or somewhere close to this area, I believe you can use PS oil, but PS oil is a little bit too thick for the skin. For me, I feel like you should go for something a little bit lighter. So coconut oil is an option that you could go for. If you think you don't have a place to buy coconut oil, you can just buy the coconut and then just pieces the coconut and put it in a pot and put it on fire and give it some time to suck out all the oil, and that's all. You're not applying anything, and the aroma is very, very nice. And the aroma is very, very nice. So you can use coconut oil. Then if you feel that is still very, very stressful and you need something, and you feel you need something more better than coconut oil, you can just go to a hair shop where they sell hair materials, like things that you can use in making hair. You buy an oil sheen of this brand, the aroma scent very, very nice. All you have to do is just apply it to the person's skin, just spray it, then you can use your hand to massage. Don't go and massage somebody's wife, or don't go and be overdoing, and at the end they arrest you or they start dragging you on social media. That's your business. But for me, this is the one I use. I think this one even smells better, and this is very, very nice. So if you think this video has helped you, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're watching this video from YouTube, make sure you subscribe, because nothing, just go and subscribe. I don't go.